Thank you for watching this recorded webinar. My name is Jason Guo, and I am the RFI manager for this challenge. One system for topping them all. This RFI was launched on April 4th and will be closed on June 4th. Please notice that the sourcing period is 2 months instead of 3 months or longer. This time we are taking a slightly different approach. We will be hosting a live Q&A sessions to provide the most recent update and answer questions, including the ones from pre-submission feedback. At Xinova, we believe problems are a good thing. Here's the outline of this webinar. I will introduce the challenge and brief the background and some related technologies. Then I will explain invention suggestions and highlight some criteria for commercialization. The pictures on the right illustrate some interesting designs for new snack product. Topping on snacks with a specific pattern or type is desired, but it is rather difficult to achieve this in mass production because currently the solutions are either low throughput or high cost. Such a new snack product is more appealing and could demand a premium retail price. Also, product differentiation will allow higher market share. Current design solutions is available. However, our client wants more. We are seeking for a design which is more flexible and allows required throughput at lower cost. These pictures are some additional example of topping and two-dimensional pattern our clients is interested in. In the first image, a flower pattern is formed by pumpkin seeds and pistachio as topping ingredient. In the third image, black sesame seeds and cashew are lined up as yin and yang in Tai Chi. Snacks, for the purpose of this RFI, have two components, the substrate and topping. Examples of substrate include cracker, tortilla, biscuit, etc. Topping can be placed before or after cooking, and we will get into this in the next slide. Our client is interested in 3 types of toppings: seeds, nuts, and vegetables. Background. This is a typical biscuit production line I borrow from a tool supplier. The general steps include dough formation, extrusion and sheeting, shaping, molding, baking, seasoning, stacking, and packaging. As highlighted, topping placement could take place before or after baking. Some related technologies are listed here. Dusting or breading use a hopper fitted with a mesh, which is located over a conveyor. Flexibility comes from the screen design. Knowledge of the dough cutting process may be useful for topping placement. At the decorating conveyor, the surfaces of snack pieces may be gilded with an egg or milk solutions or other materials such as sugar, salt, and seed. In sandwiching, the cream is applied by rotary stencils with a wire cutoff. Lastly, the experimental approach. Advanced robot technology demonstrates promise in solving this challenge, especially in addressing the requirements of flexibility and precision. However, Throughput, scalability, and cost may be an issue. Invention suggestions. We're looking for 2D pattern at higher throughput. There are 3 must-haves. First, flexibility. Minimum effort should be required to change the size and pattern of topping placement. Second, versatility. The range of compressive forces applied to the topping varies depending on the substrate. Lastly, maintenance and cleaning. These procedures should be simple. Solutions that allows a continuous moving production line without indexing will be appreciated as nice to have. Low throughput or manual solutions or solutions requiring high capital expense are out of scope. In the path towards commercializations, there are following criteria. Throughput. The speed for the production line should be 10 meters per minute or 1,000 kilograms per hour for sheet dough line. Cost. Relatively low cost, more on the qualitative side. Prototype. Concept development of a simulations or demonstrations on a single substrate will be conducted. I'm pretty sure that you have a lot of questions. Please utilize our pre-submission feedback features. To do so, please log on to myxinova.com, click on the Opportunities tab, find the related RFI, and at the bottom of the screen, you should be able to find a button as highlighted on the screen to submit questions. As RFI manager, I will respond to your questions in a timely manner, usually within 3 days. This concludes my presentations for this webinar. There will be a live Q&A sessions on May 14th. And lastly, I would like to remind everyone this RFI closes on June 4th. Thank you.